The Provincial General Referral Hospital in Bukavu in eastern DRC is overflowing with patients injured in the ongoing conflict between the M23 rebels and the Congolese army.
It was a Sunday. I was in the house when I heard the gunfire sound. I was sitting in my living room chair when the bullet hit my leg. My husband carried me up the road where the ambulance picked me up and brought me here.
Doctors at the hospital are treating patients with broken jaws and fractured feet, and nurses are tending to victims in recovery and care units.
So it's mainly people with open fractures, bleeding and broken bones that come in. Most of them have already undergone surgery. We have already put on external fixtures, as you can see with some patients. Apart from limb injuries, there are also patients with injuries to the thorax and abdomen.
Since the forced arrival of the M23 in the city, we have received 47 wounded people, 30% of whom are women and 70% men. These are gunshot injuries treated at our Provincial General Referral Hospital in Bukavu. We also recorded 2 patients who were polytraumatized, very severe cases, who did not survive.
In Bukavu, civilians were tentatively walking the streets again after being holed up in their homes for 2 days. Although a bloodbath was avoided in the city, the streets were littered with trash left by residents who took advantage of the confusion to loot shops and warehouses. Small business owners say they lost their livelihood in the mayhem.
Everything we had was here. We buy goods from Kampala, we bring them here, we put them in warehouses, thinking they'll be safe, and then in the blink of an eye you lose it. Can you imagine? We live off this market here. Almost everyone here in Bukavu lives off this market here.
Relief efforts have been hindered as transport routes remain blocked. Meanwhile, the M23 rebels continued to push deeper into eastern DRC. They have managed to seize swathes of territory in recent months, including the provincial capital Goma in January. They entered Bukavu's city center on Sunday. Congolese authorities claim Rwanda is supporting the M23 offensive, a charge Rwanda consistently denies. Sharon Baranga, CGTN.